Hello everyone and welcome back to Smart English Official, the place where learning English becomes easy and enjoyable.
I'm Lima.
Hello Lema. Hello everyone, it's great to join you again.
Hi James, how are you doing today?
I'm feeling great, thank you. And you? You seem very energetic.
I am. I'm really excited about today's lesson.
Oh yes, it's a fantastic and very practical one.
Exactly. But before we begin, please make sure to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. It helps our community grow.
It truly does. All right, James, ready to begin?
I'm ready. So, what's today's topic?
Today we're talking about tell me about yourself.
The question everyone hears sooner or later.
Definitely, whether you're joining a new club, starting a new course, or meeting someone new.
That's right. And many people feel nervous or unsure about what to say.
Exactly. And today we'll make it simple and friendly.
Perfect. So who goes first? You or me?
Let's start with you. James, tell me about yourself.
All right, here we go. Where should I begin?
Let's start easy. What's your name?
My name is James.
Nice to meet you, James. I'm Lima.
Nice to meet you too, Lima. Next question. Where are you from?
Good question. I'm from Brazil.
Brazil! That's wonderful. I'm from Australia.
Australia? How nice. Do you live in a large city?
I live in a coastal town. It's quiet and beautiful. What about you?
I live in a busy city. There's always something happening and I enjoy that energy.
Very different places, but both sound great.
Absolutely. And do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a small apartment. It's simple but has a great view of the ocean.
Wow, a view. I live in a house. It's not big, but it has a sunny balcony.
That sounds lovely.
So now we know your name, your country, and where you live. What's next? Let's talk about age. How old are you, James?
No problem. I'm 32 years old. 32, nice. And you, Lima?
I'm 26.
26, a great age indeed. Thank you. So now, the big question.
I'm ready. What do you do, James?
I'm a graphic designer.
A graphic designer. Nice. No wonder you're so creative.
Thank you. And you, Lima?
I'm a psychology student.
Psychology, that's fascinating. Do you enjoy your studies?
Very much. I love learning about the human mind.
That's amazing.
All right, we've talked about name, origin, age, and job. What's next?
Let's move to family. Good idea. Do you have siblings, Lima?
Yes, I do. I have two sisters. Their names are Mira and Sophie.
Nice. Are they older or younger?
Both are younger than me. Lovely. What about you, James? Any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother. His name is Daniel.
Is he older or younger?
He's older than me by 3 years.
Nice. What does he do?
He's an architect.
Wow. Creative family. What about your parents?
My mother is a nurse and my father is a carpenter.
That's wonderful. Two very hard-working professions.
Thank you. And your parents, Lima?
My mother is a librarian and my father is an electrician.
That's great.
All right, let's talk about pets. Pets, my favorite topic. Do you have one, James?
Yes, I do. I have a parrot.
A parrot. That's amazing. What's its name?
Her name is Kiwi, and she loves to talk.
A talking parrot. How fun.
She's bright green and very curious.
She sounds adorable. I have a pet too.
Oh, really? What do you have, Lima?
I have a rabbit.
A rabbit? That's so cute. What's its name?
Her name is Snowy. She's white and very gentle.
A gentle rabbit. So sweet.
All right, we know your pets. Now let's move to favorites. Yes, let's begin with food. What's your favorite food, James?
I'd say sushi.
Nice choice. I love sushi. My favorite food is lasagna.
Delicious.
Now, favorite color?
My favorite color is yellow, bright and happy.
Yellow is lovely. Mine is purple.
Purple, royal and beautiful.
Next, favorite animal?
Easy. Birds, of course.
Because of kiwi,
Yes. What about you?
I love horses.
Great choice. All right, let's talk hobbies. What do you enjoy, Lima?
I love baking. It relaxes me. I also enjoy writing short stories.
Writing? That's wonderful.
Thank you. What are your hobbies, James?
I enjoy cycling, especially on weekends. And I like playing the guitar.
Guitar. That's cool.
Thanks.
Now, let's talk about dislikes. What's one food you don't like, James?
I don't like mushrooms.
Really? I love mushrooms.
I know, lots of people do, but not me. What about you? I don't like cold soup. Cold soup? Interesting.
I know, not for me.
What about an activity you don't like?
I don't like folding laundry.
Haha. Same here. I really dislike driving in heavy traffic.
Oh, that's stressful.
Very. So, as we can see, talking about likes and dislikes helps you share your personality.
Exactly. For example,
Hello, my name is James. I'm a graphic designer. I love parrots and sushi, but I don't like mushrooms.
perfect introduction.
And
Hi, I'm Lima. I'm a psychology student. I love rabbits and lasagna, but I don't like cold soup. Simple, clear, and friendly.
we've now covered everything. Name, country, home, age, job, family, pets, hobbies, likes and dislikes.
That's a great structure for answering, tell me about yourself.
Exactly. You don't need to mention everything every time.
Right. For example, in a class you might say,
My name is James. I'm from Brazil. I enjoy learning new skills. And at a social event, you might say,
I'm Lima. I love baking and writing.
Great conversation starters.
Absolutely.
Well, I think our time is almost up.
Wow, time passes quickly when you're having fun.
It really does.
Before we end, we have a small request.
Yes, if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.
And share it with anyone who's learning English.
And now, our question of the day.
We can't wait to read about you.
Thank you all for joining us today. We'll be back soon with another fun episode. Goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone. Bye, James.